Hey guys!
Welcome back to another video.
Wait, it's our first one.
Oh.
Bitch, are you dumb?
Pardon me?
Are you dumb?
I think she's dumb.
This is Taylor.
Isabella.
Bags. So we bought fidgets.
Okay, we're trying cotton candy liquid IV. Oh.
We saw them on TikTok and
Bro, the camera's gonna be shaking.
Shit. It's not salty.
Not really. I mean, there's kind of like a hint.
Look at this dude.
Let me try. I think I like the pink one better.
I think I like the blue one better.
This is just what we wanted to happen.
Okay, so into the freaking fidgets. What is this?
I don't know. We got some monkey. Wait, I don't know what these are called. I like these. These are very stretchy. Oh my gosh, is that a fidget spinner?
I think so. That's what I'm trying to say.
Dude, what is this?
Dude, this is a fidget spinner, I swear. I'm going crazy. 10 out of 10. I tell you the thing. Later she comes up to me and she like presses me and she goes, "Why'd you follow him on Instagram?"
Wait, follow her?
I didn't follow her. I only followed her boyfriend.
And
How do I put this on?
You gotta put it through the little hole.
Well, I'd hope so. Dude.
Some sticky. I rate these a 4 out of 10.
You dropped half of the population of them.
Come on, we got a lot to go through. Guys, look at this insane amount.
Dude.
What is this? Oh my gosh. I'm so tiny. Yo, I'm such a savage.
Like, let me go. I found my TikTok account from like 2020 and I was in middle school and it went crazy.
Lot of loot, that bit fire, yeah, she kinda cute, yeah.
I like the sound these make.
Same. This is supposed to just like go.
Yes.
Guys, comment down below if you want Bella to wear that one. Yeah.
I feel like, I mean, I could put like money in here.
Yeah.
My card, everything I need. Oh, but I gave the idea of the thirst trap ones because I kept getting thirst traps of Shrek on my freaking food earlier. It was like 1 a.m. and I was getting thirst traps of Shrek.
Sin City was made, yeah. Angels like you.
Guys, trust we have so many videos.
Like we have so many videos in mind. I just ordered these. Like
just keep subscribed.
And if you want to do a fidget trade, let me know.
Yeah, like hit us. What was that?
It's eyeball.
It flew out?
Yes, Taylor. Where did it go? I
didn't even hear anything.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god. Dude, let that go.
Oh, I
Do you
broke
think
it.
these are like... Oh my gosh, Bella.
We should go into Target and steal them.
Stealing is bad, Bella.
You're still thinking, buddy.
Alright.
As a kid in my, what grade was I in? I was a sophomore and I was in chemistry. He had this fat pop-it bracelet on. He wore it every day. And there was this one day I came into class and he goes, I saw you staring at my bracelet, so I got you one. And then he got suspended because I'm pretty sure he tried to make a bomb at school.
We got some good. Bro, Bella. Tomorrow night we're filming a good YouTube video. Stay
Actually,
tuned.
it is really good. I can't lie.
Is Bob doing it?
Actually, should I call and see?
Yeah, let's FaceTime him. He can say hi to.
FaceTime Nathaniel. We have to add Kayla to the call.
Starting a FaceTime call to NBC Nathaniel. Mobile.
I stalks us.
What's Bob doing?
What the frick?
Say hi to the vlog, Bob.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hey, what's up? Dude. Okay.
I lost my ring! No!
Okay.
Bye. Where'd my ring go before I called Kayla? Just something just disappeared in your car and it ends up in an abyss. Why? 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 Talk to me about it. So how am I supposed to?
Well, Bob said.
What is she doing? FaceTime Kayla.
Starting a FaceTime call to NBC, Kayla.
Dude. Really?
Can I say hi to the vlog? She said, bye.
What does this look like? The galaxy?
The Milky Way. Oh, that's actually pretty. Ew, it's not pretty in person.
Oh,
It's like turning brown.
what is this?
What?
They don't even stand up.
It's scary.
This is me when I see you.
Aww.
Guys, me when I see Bella.
Me when I see Taylor.
Okay.
That's why I was saying we should go into Target or something and steal fidget.
I'm not a thief.
A thief?
A thief.
A thief?
A thief. Theft. I feel like we need some music.
Facts.
Alright, dude. What song should I play?
Don't yell.
Oh my gosh!
Dude.
Yo.
This has a lot of uses.
Get out.
Would you go ham on this?
Who are you asking, them or me?
Them.
So, like, are you gonna come sit with me tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, it's only 3 hours, right?
Like 2. It's from like 5 to 9.
I doubt it's until 9.
That's only 4 hours. What does he mean 2?
Listen, we usually have a lot to talk about. And we do talk. We usually talk our heads off.
Yeah, like we're funny. We're funny. Like, if you followed our TikTok, you saw that funny TikTok we made.
You know, I told someone to subscribe to our YouTube. And they were like, what do you make? And I sent the video over TikTok and then they go, no, thank you.
Yo.
We should do a video where we pepper spray Bob.
Yo, Bob, if you're watching this.
Bob, if you're watching this and you're down to let us pepper spray you, let us know.
Yo, how many bodies you got? What was it?
Your car's so droppable.
Yo, guys, get a load of this guy.
Oh, I found it, Taylor.
Grab it.
I don't know how to get that.
Okay.
Look. Dude.
Where?
Whoa! You see it?
How did it get down here?
Outside.
We outside in this bitch.
Was she clipped? Right. Oklahoma's actually flooding right now too. 5 likes and I'll get a tattoo of Taylor's name on my.
Please, guys, like this up.
Always freaking here.
What is this? Oh, bounce it. It bounces super high.
These?
I think so.
We're gonna need.
I think the turtle one. Well, fella. Exactly.
Guys. What does it say?
Christina. Mr. Beast, these nuts. Guys, how could she just touch me down like that?
I'm so sorry.
What was I gonna do? Vlog it?
Yes. What? You know you can pause it? Look at this dude. I'm clenching my butt cheeks right now.
Hi.
Okay.
That's your shit.
Really dark. Why is it dark out here?
Because it's like 8:30. It's 9 o'clock, guys. Like, time check.
Lunchlies?
Guys, I've never taken a shot before, obviously, but detox. Yo, I can't down this. I'm gonna throw up.
Don't smell it.
I was about to.
It actually smells like pineapple.
Oh yeah, it does. Okay. I'm scared.
Listen.
Mm.
Yeah. I'm putting this in my cup. I can't put down the cup.
Can't put down the cup. Cherry freeze.
You what? You got cherry freeze? I got ice pop.
I don't like cherry. I like that watermelon one. Can I try yours? Let me try. That is pretty good.
I ain't never had a good prom before. It's dead.
So good, Paul. You did something here. You cooked.
Why does it smell like ketchup?
Oh heck no, I don't.
Why I get a whiff of it? Yes.
Pizza. The sauce is just questionable every single time.
Why did I get the minimum sauce? Is this real?
The pepperoni.
Why is it pepperoni spicy? Why is it? I have no sauce. This is dry as hell.
I'll eat it. You wanna try?
It tastes like grass.
Let's trade. They're not terrible.
They're not terrible, but
I
they're
would never buy one.
not willingly.
No, not a big one too.
I'm having fun with this.
This video is literally an hour long.
It probably won't be when I'm done because we have a lot of editing to put onto this.
What, bitch? What? What?
Baby food, be friends with forever.
Smash that subscribe! Smash it! Or else, guys, like, hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, comment down below, like.
We out.